Tex-Mex beef and beans on the Kudu grill. It's gonna be savage. So I just want to throw this out there, guys. You don't have to own the Kudu grill in order to do this recipe. And furthermore, you don't even have to do this outside. You can do this inside in your slow cooker. And as always, guys, I will leave a link in the description to thebeardedhiker.com where it will list all the ingredients and also the directions to do this in your slow cooker if you decide to do that. All right, so let's get to prepping these vegetables and this meat and throw this stuff together. It's gonna be delicious. So here we go. I'm doing this on the ground so you guys can actually see. All right, so we got 1 onion and 1 bell pepper chopped going in, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 pound of dried pinto beans, soaked. They have been soaked for about an hour. 3 pounds of meat. This is stew meat, chopped up a little bit. Get in there, you little badger. I got 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 4-ounce can of diced green chilies, a 10-ounce can of Rotel tomatoes and green chilies. Can you see that? This is the chunky, juice and all. We're gonna add a tablespoon of cumin. I've got 2 teaspoons going in here of Better Than Bouillon. And so if you didn't have Better Than Bouillon, then you could just use 2 bouillon cubes beef. You could probably use chicken and get away with it. And as always, guys, we're gonna do some Himalayan sea salt to taste. We'll add as we go, and some black pepper. All right, now we're gonna add some water. Now the water, this is probably about 6 cups of water. I'm just gonna add a little bit first. I'm gonna actually add it all. I'm probably gonna have to add some more. But basically what you're looking for is, when all this is stirred about, you want it to cover everything about 2 inches above it. Remember that as you're cooking this, you're probably gonna be losing some liquid, you know, when you open up the lid and whatnot. So you're probably gonna have to add more liquid as you go. But as you can see, we're just level, so we're gonna put more water in here until we get just 2 inches above. All right, guys, first shot here, we can see how we're boiling. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna raise this up pretty high. And we are just going to simmer it until, whoa. Might make sure we lock that off. All right, we're just gonna simmer this. It's probably gonna take a couple hours, you know. We're gonna simmer it up, checking it every, you know, maybe 20 minutes just to make sure that everything's, we don't need to add any water or whatever. But let me tell you something. This is the most easiest recipe on the planet. It's literally dump and go, but the flavor rewards are fantastic. So we've been going about 2 hours. We've had to change some coals out. I'm gonna give it a little bit of stir here. And this is about the thickness that I like. We haven't added any water to it, have we? Did we add it maybe a little bit of water at one time? No? Okay, we're good. So let's go ahead, and I've been tasting it as long, so this is gonna kind of be a little fake because I've been salting and peppering it as we go, but I'm telling you right now, guys, it is delicious and it's freaking hot. So we're going to firm bark this. Woo!
Yeah, hot.
Freak.
Because you didn't know from the hot
I did,
that was boiling.
My buddy Fernbark will know exactly what I'm talking about. I'll leave a link in the description to his channel. Woo! Alright. We're still rolling?
We're still
rolling.
rolling.
We're still rolling. Alright guys, I'm going to tell you. So 2.5 hours it's taken. If you were doing this on in your slow cooker, you're looking at about 5-6 hours on high. Alright, so the way to serve this is, we're going to be serving it with the cornbread, or my jalapeno goat cheese cornbread, which you can check out that video right here if you want to do that. But it's awesome over rice, over mashed potatoes. Never had it over pasta because I'm not a big pasta eater, but that would probably be good too. I don't know, man. The possibilities are endless. So whatever it is you choose to do it on, Tex-Mex beef and beans on the Kudu grill